Hey guys, I'm running out of strains to review for you guys at the moment. I need some money in order to buy some new strains, but I've totally forgotten about this strawberry glue, which is from Pharma. So when I switched from Sapphire to Integro, partly because Sapphire wouldn't prescribe me any flower due to my asthma, I got given this on my first prescription from Integro. I got the strawberry glue and the marijuana together, and yeah, this is a strain that I really like, but I don't vape all that much, and the reason is because I find it, out of all the strains I've tried, and I've only tried about six strains or something, this is the one that has the biggest antidepressant effect on me than all of the others. Like the marijuana is fantastic for, sedation and, helping get me off to sleep, in combination with my night oil. And I've got my ACD cookies for daytime, and I've tried a few others, but this one is really antidepressant. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the limonene, I'm not quite sure why, but I feel really uplifted when I vape this, and really giggly and just really happy. It just really cheers me up. But because depression is not my main mental health condition, anxiety is 100% like far worse than my depression. I don't have any kind of major depressive disorder or anything. I feel low a lot of the time, but it's kind of in response to life circumstances like health and the cost of living, money and stuff like that. The Tories being in power, all of those kind of things make me feel quite low. So I only use this when I'm feeling really down in the dumps. So I'm not vaping it every day. I'm using my sedating ones a lot more than this one. But when I do vape it, yeah, I feel like it's like taking something that's affecting my serotonin, like, I don't know. Yeah, it really cheers me up and makes me feel light, like emotionally light. It just makes me feel light and airy, and weirdly enough I get the body feeling of feeling light when I'm on this, which is the complete opposite of how I feel on marijuana. I feel really heavy, like I'm sinking into the floor when I vape marijuana. It's very sedating and I feel heavy, and just heavy and sedated, whereas this I feel light as a feather, and I really do feel that sensation of almost feeling quite floaty on it. I feel very relaxed on this, and I feel like it's a good pain reliever as well. I vaped it last night just to sort of just to see what else it does for me, and it does help my pain. But it definitely doesn't make me sleep. I don't know if it makes anyone else sleep, but this doesn't make me sleep, but mainly because it puts me in such a good mood that I want to enjoy that good mood, and I want to actually either be sociable, which I don't always feel these days in my old age. I feel sociable when I'm on this, or I want to sort of, I don't know, just explore my ideas and do something enjoyable, like watch comedy or something like that. So yeah, I think it is a good strain, definitely. What I find really frustrating, and I've said this a few times, is the fact that we can't get small amounts to try out, but also because this is medicine. This isn't just because we all want to get high. This is because we've got conditions and we want to medicate for them, and in order to be able to use this to medicate, I need a smaller amount. If I could get, like, say 2 grams or something per month of this, I would use it up. But basically I've got 10 grams. It's been about, well, this has been a few months since I've had this prescription, and it's really dry and old now, and it's really harsh to vape because I haven't used it in time. I just haven't been using it, using it up. So it's not just that we want to sample things. It's, if I was to have this medication for when I'm really, really down, or feeling really flat or just low, I'd be able to use this, and if I could get 2 grams a month, it would be fresh each month. But now it's like I don't even really want to use this up because it is so harsh to vape now. It's got some amazing nugs. I mean, check this one out. That's huge. But it's, it's dry as a bone because it's a few months old. It's lost its terpenes pretty much. Can't really smell much other than sort of dust. It's very just dusty. It's just not, it's not, I don't even know if I will carry on vaping this because it is so harsh, even though I've got these, Boveda packs in. I've got a Boveda pack in there. So yeah, I really, really want to be able to, I wish we could, I don't know, I wish we could do some sort of activism to try and get companies to listen to us and give us smaller amounts. I don't know how we can do that, but if anyone's got any ideas, I am up for fighting the fight. Because I don't feel like they're really taking it seriously, that this is a medicine. And if this was something that, that I was to use regularly, then I need smaller amounts for it because I don't use it every day. So yes, that's me getting off my soapbox at the frustrations of the current UK medical cannabis. The industry at the moment is, apart from Advent that can do some strains, they do for 5 grams. The rest of it is pretty much 10 grams. So anyway, I would buy this again, but I am hesitant to buy it at 10 grams because I'm really not going to get through 10 grams a month. Or even 2 months, I just want to be able to have a little bit of this every now and then when I'm feeling really low, and I just want to, cheer myself up and, give me an antidepressant factor. And especially because one of the things that I've been doing, and one of the things I've turned to medical cannabis for, is to try and get off the majority of my pharmaceuticals that I've been prescribed over the years for both pain and for mental health, because my liver is, in such a bad way. I want to save my liver. So I've cut down on my antidepressant, and I'm down to the lowest amount now of my sertraline, and I am going to come off that completely. And yeah, once I come off it, it would be great to have 1 or 2 grams of this just to dip into when I'm feeling a little bit flat or low, or when the Tories have cut something else for disabled people, it would be nice to medicate my mood a bit with this. So that's kind of most of what I want to say about the strawberry glue. And it's really difficult for me to say how it smells because it's virtually lost all of its terpenes now. It is a bit fruity, and I'm not a kind of fruity weed kind of girl, really. I like my cannabis to be kind of, earthy and dank and not fruity. I don't really want to sort of vape berry flavors. It's not really my it's not my jam. But it was okay to vape before it went really dry. I mean, and now it's like, it's just going to go to dust when I grind that down. And it is very harsh now to vape. I used my Ariza XQ2 yesterday, and I did 2 bags. The first bag was okay, it was fine, but the second bag was so harsh. I was coughing like mad. My throat was sore. So yeah, I definitely, if I do use this up, I'm going to just do 1 bag because 2 is just too it's too harsh. But yes, I think that's everything. And I don't know if I said how much it was, but on the I think I might have done, I can't remember, brain fog and medicating brain. It's £80 on, is it £80 or £70? 70 or 80, I can't remember actually, on the Gap project. And that's for 10 grams. Yeah. So that's it. Hope that's helpful. Have you used strawberry glue? If so, what are you medicating it for and how has it helped? Does it help you sleep? Does it make you feel uplifted and creative and happy like it does with me? Yeah, let me know. Take care, guys. Happy medicating.